Okay, this is not something I ever do, so you might have to bear with me. But I spent so much time trying to solve this problem that I wanted to make a video. So I have the Master Lock 5422D and Master Lock 5423D lock boxes that came with the house we purchased a few months ago, but we did not get the combinations in any of the paperwork that we received during the sale. And one was mounted to the wall out back, and the other was hanging on the gate to the backyard. And I just decided it would be really nice to have access, especially to the wall mounted one, so that we could at least remove it. I tried the method that the lockpicking lawyer provided and had zero luck with that. And then I found a video that was posted by someone whose channel is called New England Misfire, and I will link it down below along with the video itself. And his method worked perfectly on my first try for the 5423D, but the 5422D, I still am not having any luck. So I'm hoping maybe someone can suggest a remedy. First, I will show you the 5423D, which worked perfectly. Like a charm. But the 5422D, so if anyone has any suggestions, that would be great. And thank you to New England Misfire for his brilliant discovery and for sharing with the rest of us.